Welcome, young explorers, to our Easter adventure. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Easter traditions, uncovering its origins and exploring its deep meaning. Easter has deep roots that stretch back thousands of years, blending ancient pagan customs with Christian traditions. In ancient times, people celebrated the arrival of spring with festivals honoring fertility and rebirth. These celebrations eventually evolved into the Easter we know today. The word Easter is believed to have originated from the Anglo-Saxon goddess Eostre, who symbolized spring and fertility. Many of the symbols associated with Easter, such as eggs, bunnies, and flowers, have pagan origins and were used to celebrate the arrival of spring and the rebirth of nature. When Christianity spread throughout Europe, Christian leaders sought to incorporate these existing traditions into their own religious observances. Thus, Easter became not only a celebration of spring, but also a time to commemorate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. According to Christian belief, Jesus died on the cross to redeem humanity's sins and rose from the dead 3 days later, conquering death and offering eternal life to all who believe in him. Easter is celebrated in many different ways across the globe, each culture adding its own unique customs and traditions. From egg rolling in the United States to egg tapping in Greece, these diverse traditions reflect the rich tapestry of global cultures. Now, let's explore the enchanting tale of the Easter Bunny. Legend has it that long ago, during ancient spring festivals, rabbits were revered for their remarkable fertility and ability to bring forth new life. As these pagan traditions merged with Christian Easter celebrations, the symbolism of rabbits persisted, embodying the spirit of renewal and the promise of spring. Over time, the Easter Bunny became a beloved figure associated with Easter, bringing joy and delight to children around the world. The Easter Bunny's playful nature and boundless energy perfectly capture the joy and excitement of Easter festivities. So, the next time you see a fluffy bunny hopping around, remember the magical tale of the Easter Bunny and the joy it brings to Easter celebrations. Decorating Easter eggs is not only a fun activity, but also a cherished tradition that dates back centuries. In ancient times, people would decorate eggs using natural dyes made from plants, flowers, and herbs, creating intricate patterns and designs. Today, there are countless ways to decorate Easter eggs. From traditional dyeing methods to modern techniques like painting, drawing, and adding stickers, the possibilities are endless. Get creative and let your imagination soar as you transform simple eggs into works of art. It's a wonderful way to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your Easter celebration. Now, let's embark on the most thrilling Easter tradition of all, the Easter egg hunt. The Easter egg hunt is a beloved tradition that brings families and communities together for a joyous adventure. Hunters, armed with baskets and eager eyes, scour every nook and cranny in search of colorful treasures. But the real magic of the egg hunt lies in the anticipation, excitement, and sense of discovery as each hidden egg is found. Whether it's finding the golden egg or uncovering a hidden surprise, the egg hunt is a memorable experience that creates cherished memories for years to come. So, gather your friends and family and let the egg hunt begin. May your baskets be filled with joy, laughter, and plenty of Easter eggs. As the sun sets on our Easter celebration, let's carry the joy and warmth of this special day in our hearts. Wishing you all a happy Easter filled with love, laughter, and lots of egg-cellent memories. Until next time, take care and happy Easter!